I found out how to make the fastest and creamiest ice cream in the world. In a bowl, I will put 2 cups of whipping cream. And with the help of a mixer, mix until consistency. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Now I will add 395 grams of condensed milk. And then 2 cups of milk. I'll also add a cup of chocolate powder. I'm using chocolate 50%. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Tracy McCarthy from Ireland. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now I'll add another cup of chocolate powder. It has become one of my favorite desserts since I first tried it. She looks really amazing. Next, I will add crushed chocolate to taste. Tell me, what is your favorite ice cream recipe to make at home? I would love to know. After mixing everything very well, I will transfer our mixture into a container. Here I'm using one in rectangular format, but you can use one of your choice. To give a special touch, I'll put grated chocolate on top of everything. You can put the amount you prefer, this part is to taste. When I do in my house, there's never anything left, because it's really impossible to eat just a little. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how to do it, because it's really impressive how good it gets after it's done. Let's put it in the freezer for 12 hours. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. Using a few ingredients present in everyday life, we can make a much tastier ice cream than those sold in conventional markets. I doubt you've ever experienced anything like this before. I was impressed myself the first time I did it. Everyone always asks me what is the secret to making such a delicious ice cream like this. I have no doubt that you will thank me for teaching you how to make ice cream this way. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.